belum dimulai. Belum record. Maksudnya dia belum nge-record.
Iya.
Oke.
Udah.
Udah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name Fadil Nugraha and my number student is 20200210013.
My name is Dwi Apyadi. My number student is 2100043.
My name is Shifa Akmala and my number student is 20220010006. Here we want to fulfill one of the English assignments that have been given. Here we will discuss a travel wish list at a safe tourist spot in Yogyakarta.
Hello, bro and sis, how are you?
I'm
Fine.
I want to tell you my travel wish list. Here, I really want to go to Jogja, to Malioboro, to be places. In order to make it easy to release my travel wish list, I want to invite these two friends of mine. I really want to go to Malioboro because there are many ways to visit the place, namely by using private vehicle or public transportation. If we use public transportation, especially using trains from outside the city, then the distance from the train station or more especially the Tugu station to Malioboro is only about 100 meters. The advantages of Malioboro are also a strategic place because from public transportation, parking area, culinary and place by souvenirs until lodging is available around the place. Malioboro is a road more than 2 kilometers long that stretches from the intersection of the Yogyakarta Tugu Railway station at the north and to the corner of the Great Building at the south end. Besides, Malioboro is a legendary street that has become an icon of the city of Yogyakarta, which is domestically filled at night. This place is one of the places that are always visited when people are on vacation in the city Yogyakarta. This is because Malioboro is filled with various culinary dishes that serve the tastes spread across hundreds of meters of Legahanan styles with the typical gudeg Yogya, Japan noodles, and chicken figurines born and fried vegetable. So this plate has a photograph of photo that are often used by everyone while visiting Malioboro. This place also has a distance close to other Yogyakarta icon, namely Kraton. The distance between Malioboro and Kraton is only 50 meters.
I also really want to go to Jogja. I want to go to Taman Sari tourist attraction because locations that have many historical relics of the past of art are often used as educational tourist attraction, enjoying beauty, fun, and education, namely Taman Sari, especially in the special area of Yogyakarta. This history building provides a lot of information about even in the past, including instilling pride in being to here to this great civilization, so that it become a meaningful learning not only for the history loving community but also for city in general. Taman Sari has an area of more than 10 hectares with 57 building it. The building are in the form of building, bathing pool, suspension bridges, water canal, artificial lakes, artificial island, mosques, and underground passages. The park is nicknamed water, water castle because of the pool and water element that surround it. Also known as the fragrant garden because of the fragrant trees and flowers planted in the garden around the building. Although Taman Sari is no longer as grand and beautiful as when it was still fully functional in the Solnet era, the camp of Tanam Kraton is still able to make the hardly landlord to this day, especially artistic sport and building the highlight the uniqueness. There is garden Seripon, a stag gate, a grand gate, a gambling well, and a Kenongo building. There are also tips when traveling to Taman Sari. Before deciding to visit, there are some tips that we can follow to make the holiday as enjoyable as possible. Some of the tips like the first, leave early as the park closes at 2 p.m. Number two, don't forget to bring a power bank so you don't lose the opportunity to take photo just because your cell phone is low.
Good idea. I also really want to go to Jogja to the Museum of Mon Merapi because according to some sources, the Museum of Mon Merapi is an interesting place. As as one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, Mount Merapi has a spiritual function is Javanese society and tradition. From the parking lot of the Merapi Museum, you can see the impressive angular structure building with the MGM sign off the roof. Walk right the stairs with both sides of the calm yard overgrown with beautiful flowering plants. After the ticket booth, we enter to Mount Merapi Museum, a scale model of Mount Merapi show explosion with physical animation and show effect of various major volcanic explosion from the 18th century to the present and their effect on changing the shape of the mountain. This museum was built to commemorate the eruption of Mount Merapi in 2010. Mount Merapi is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. The main attraction is the model of Mount Merapi, which simulates an explosion. This museum contains about volcanoes including a very large model of Mount Merapi and its many eruptions over the years. The exhibits in the museum are displayed accordingly, but in English or Bahasa, with many pictures with showing the effect of volcanic ash and flows, as well as items that enhance from the eruption. There are ancient seismological methods, earthquake simulator on display, and theater showing the 2010 explosion. Also, a grim display of the effect on location, on local villager, and the environment. Totally worth the effort if you visit Kaliurang area. This museum presents a every little thing you need to know about the volcano, including its background, social significance, and more. You can see also the remains of household product and other items, which witness the last explosion that occurred in 2010, combining recreation and education. A trip to the Mount Merapi Gallery should be included in your itinerary when traveling. Traveling with family, with friends, or with family to Yogyakarta.
That's great. That's great.
Totally agree. I also like traveling.
Yes, I do. Thanks for your kind attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.